Hooray! You finally came! I'm very glad. On my second channel Machine Footage, you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage only. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section. Important to know creation some footage as it requires some wise plugins since the speed of the processing to make this much easier. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background within scope of menus, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the button preset. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments.